Freedom number 6 is security. What about security? It's been discussed to death. For a long time, it was the point that people would make to say, oh, we're not moving to the cloud because it's not secure. I'm sure you've heard that. Today, AWS holds many security certifications from multiple industries. SOC, SOC 1, 2, 3. PCI DSS, which is so important for everybody processing payments. We hold a lot of US federal certifications. As I've said, we work with a lot of government entities. So, FIPS and FISMA, etc. Not to forget all the ISO certification, notably ISO 27001, which drives information security management. So, all this is public information. You can go to our website and you can read all about it, and you can request the reports if you want to feel. And that's a good transition to security services. We have many different services to secure your applications. On the network side, on encryption, we have security features that give you the ability to have your own security keys, cryptographic keys, that we don't have, that AWS will never have. Okay, so it's the ultimate security as far as we're concerned. You can encrypt your data with your own keys, and we never get them. Identity management, that's super important for enterprises' application. And compliance, which is very important if you're in a regulated industry. Specifically, you could use CloudTrail. CloudTrail will log every single call, every single action on an AWS API. So you can know exactly who did what, when. So for auditing, it's great. So when it comes to using AWS, it's really not about moving fast or staying secure. It's both. You can move fast and stay secure. And you're never going to be slowed down by security procedures. You put the right automated controls in place using our platform, and they will do the job for you. They will AWS config, for example, another service, will automatically check that your resources follow your policy. If a virtual machine or if a storage bucket does not follow those rules, it will be flagged. It could be shut down immediately, automatically. So you don't have to worry so much about doing this manually. And actually, we have a lot of customers in the finance industry. And this gentleman, Mr. Alexander, is the CIO from Capital One. Capital One is one of the top 10 banks in the US. And as he puts it, the finance industry is constantly under attack by the worst cyber criminals. So security is their #1 concern. And what he says is, working with us enabled Capital One to build a model, security model, that is better than what they could do in their data centers. And actually, we have other customers reporting that they reach a higher security level working with us than working on their own. So coming from those guys, I think that's a strong statement.